Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a C++ program that can calculate the permutation. Yeah, permutation calculator basically. So permutation is basically number of choices, and then we choose how many variations we can get from those choices. I mean, we get an answer of how many variations we can get from those choices. For example, we can have, let's say we have 3 letters like T. So 3 permutation 1 will basically be, or let's say 3 permutation 1 will be 3. Because 3 different ways we can do it, because there's 3 different letters. And we can only choose 1 letter from each. So first, we want to include IO stream, which is our input output stream. Once we include our input output stream, we want to also include our username standard library space, which is using namespace std. So we can what's it called, see out and etc. So we can have functions that could do that. So we're going to be using 2 functions here. We're going to use a helper function called a factorial calculator. I explained this in my previous lecture. I'm going to link it down in the description below, but I'm going to just cut to the chase. So let's say, for example, we input 3. The function is going to run factorial. It's going to run recursively. The functions. So let's say we input 3. The function is going to run recursively. For example, let's say we input 3, so p is 3 multiplied by the factorial of p minus 1. So it's going to run the function again, so it's 3 times 2 times 1, which is going to equal 6. So the function is going to keep running, so it's 3 times 2 times 1. And then else return 1. And the reason, and also here we say p is greater than 1, because like, if it's less than 1, it's going to multiply it by 0. Anything multiplied by 0 is 0. But if you guys want a deeper explanation on the function, you guys can check the link down below. And yeah. So let's say we're choosing 4 letters. So 4 permutation 2. So there's 4 letters, but we're choosing 2 letters. So how many ways can we do this? So that's the real definition of permutation. So yeah. So we have permutation N and R. So we're gonna have So we have our variables N and R. We're gonna be using integer because we can't use decimals, because it has to be a whole number. aka like the pigeonhole principle explains why. If you guys don't understand that, you guys can just search up what the pigeonhole principle is. But yeah. N factorial. Okay, so n factorial is the factorial of n, so we just called our helper function factorial of n. And n minus factorial is, so we just put n minus r, so the function is first going to calculate this, is n minus r. Okay, it's going to calculate n minus r, so it's going to be, let's say for example 3 minus 2, so it's going to take 3 minus 2 is 1, it's going to take factorial of 1, which is 1, and it's going to return n factorial of minus factorial. So how we do it, for example, n factorial over n minus 3 factorial. So this is what this is. Okay, right here. So we're returning it because it's an int function. If it was if it was a void function, would have been cout, and we just type this. So yeah, but this is an int function, so we're just going to leave it as return. Okay, and our main function is here, so we select n and r, so number and number, like, yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna, so we have our main function, so we have integer n and r, so we're gonna take in the value of n, and so our number, our total number, so this is going to be our number of choices, and how many variation of choices we want from our number of choices. Okay. So I'm gonna just let me show you guys the program and just zoom out here. So yeah, this is the factorial. So I'm just going to show you guys the program one time before I run it. Here's the factorial. And this is permutation. And yeah, and this is the main function. So I'm just going to run the function. I'm going to run the program. I'm going to have, let's say, 5, and then 4. Actually, let's just say 5 and 3. So 60. So the permutation answer is 60. So we can choose from 5 numbers. If we choose 3 variations, we can have what's it called? So let's go 5, 4. So if we have to pick from what's it called 5 choices, if we have 5 choices and we have to pick 4, like how many ways could we have arranged 4 letters from 5 word what's it called word? It'd be 120 ways. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.